philosopher lover, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we visited the Pacific Market here in Melbourne, and so we're having our first ever mukbang. Today we visited the Pacific Market here in Melbourne. I got this beautiful stay. We also got Mamoe designed scrunchies. So there's this black with yellow, purple and gold, blue, white and green, and black and gold. So I'm really excited to start using my scrunchies. As you can see, I have another scrunchie that I've been using quite a lot. But what we really liked at the Pacific Market were the wide range of foods. Our first one that we came across was coconut bread. So I got a whole loaf, but I've just cut off a little bit because I'm not really good at eating lots of food. So it's nice and soft, so just like fresh made bread. You can really taste the coconut in it, but it doesn't have like a dried coconut. They've used coconut milk, coconut cream, not the dried coconut. Very nice. It's been in my butter chicken, so I'll try it with that. Ooh, that one just had a flake of coconut, but it wasn't the dried one. It was like a fresh one. You know, when you scrape the coconut and you get that the flesh from it, that's just what it was like. Really good. Definitely buy the coconut bread. So fresh and fluffy. Then we got sulfite. So the sulfite, nice, and the tapioca is very clear, so you know it's not going to be crunchy. Really, really good. I was supposed to make some of this for breakfast club at work, but I didn't have time. But now I know I can order some ahead of time. Sulfite is always great for breakfast, so I love this. It's made with banana, tapioca, and coconut cream. I'll have a link up here somewhere where you can learn how to make sulfite. Awesome. Vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, great stuff. Have some more of this coconut bread. What else have I got here? We got some balsamic or luau. Oh, sugar. What's going on my plate? Nice. You can see the coconut cream. Oh, this is awesome. This would be amazing with some taro. I didn't look properly, so I didn't see if there was any taro. But this would totally be amazing with taro. In fact, we have some Mamoe here. I'm going to have some Mamoe with it. I reckon that's going to be great. Let me put it on this so it doesn't ruin my table. Okay. I lived in Samoa for 9 years, and my favorite, all-time favorite was whaiai erengi. So when I saw the whaiai erengi, I had to make sure to grab some. See. Probably needs to be heated up because, oh, so yummy. All the cream. Again, would be absolutely amazing with some taro. To get some taro. Okay, we also got So I was living my memories, and we lived in Popolta. Just up the road from Popolta is Curry House, and Curry House has the absolute best butter chicken wraps. And so today at the Pacific Market in Melbourne, we saw butter chicken wraps, and I have purchased one. I've cut it up so that it's easy for me to eat. One thing that's clear to me that is different is it's got shredded vegetables. The Curry House butter chicken wraps do not have shredded vegetables. It's just the butter chicken in the wrap. So that's a huge difference. Just taste a bit. Nice and sweet. It looks like they've also got some onion in there. It's either onion or cabbage. My tummy will let me know later. And they also got a little bit of, it looks like mayonnaise. So there's a whole bunch of shredded vegetables as well as the chicken and mayonnaise. Okay, so the butter chicken flavour is really good. It's very sweet with the shredded carrot. It's not the same as Curry House. The roti is a bit hard just because we purchased it a little while ago and we drove home, so it's not warm and fresh. I think the butter chicken would be better without the shredded vegetables. So yeah, good, but not as good as Curry House in Samoa. Oh, pardon me. That coconut bread is to die for. If you go back to the market, make sure you get some coconut bread because it's amazing. Okay, the next one, I've been following their Instagram for a while, but I've not been able to purchase any of their foods that they've been selling. And so when I saw that they were at the Pacific Market, I made sure that I got some. But right now, as I'm talking to you, I can't remember their name. I will look it up and put it in the description or when I'm editing. So it's a barbecue place. They had, I'm pretty sure it's Mamoe, but it's lamb, Mamoe, sausage, more chicken, potato salad. So taste is good, not dry. It's got some onion in it. I don't usually put onion in my food because I'm a bit intolerant, and yeah, but it's good. Let me try. So it's a cheese crunchy. Cheese crunchies are always a winner. I'm going to add some chicken. The sauce, really good. Chicken's not dry. Great stuff. I really like the potato salad. Excuse me, licking my fingers, that's kind of gross. Sorry, I saw this and I just needed to have some more. Okay. Now we're heading to the ribs. I don't think it's Mamoe. Comes off the bone very easily. That means it's been cooking for quite some time, which is always amazing. Can't tell if it's Mamoe or if it's what, or beef. It's some kind of a rib. There you go. I'm really good at this. It's a rib and it's delicious. So while I'm eating, we're also going to be talking about what Measina has coming up for you in the near future. So we're working on developing a Samoan language course for travellers. That is in the development stage. We hope to have that finished soon so that it can be available for when our borders open again, or even before that. We're also working with some Samoan graphic designers to bring out some new clothing designs for the winter season. So we only bring out designs twice a year, winter and summer. So the winter season, it's Australian seasons. Winter, we're going to be bringing out some new designs. That means some of our older designs might be going, so keep an eye on our socials to find out which of our designs will be leaving the store or ours. I think that's all for now. We are, so hopefully we will also find time to film and edit the intermediate portion of our online Siva Afi courses. That is what's happening at Measina in the coming months. Tell us in the comments below what you think Measina should be doing more of in the future. Other than that, I think I'm just going to finish off my food. There's so much yummy food. Make sure to support any of the Pacific businesses or programs that you see happening around your area. If you're in Melbourne, head down to the Pacific Markets. They are on Ballarat Road in RDL. I will have that somewhere around here to tell you the address. Every Saturday, amazing work of our community. So much need for these types of programs and events for our people. So make sure you go down and support so that they continue to thrive. Thank you again for watching Measina Treasures of Samoa. If you'd like to see more of this content, make sure to give it a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel to support us even more. Thank you again. Tō whāsoi fua.